name is Miles King and I am 12 years old.
Miles is a brilliant, energetic, fun, delightful, kind, we could go on and on, kiddo.
I have a sister named Evie and she is 5, and I have a brother named Bear and he's 7, and I have a dog and his name is Harry and he's a golden retriever. And me, Bear, and Evie enjoy to play Minecraft together and run around in the backyard with Harry. And probably our favorite thing to do with our family is to do Mad Libs.
I'm actually a type 1 diabetic myself, and so a few weeks ago Miles came to me and said that he was super thirsty and just could not get enough water, and this had been going on for a couple of days in a row, and that kind of pinged a memory for me because that's exactly the same thing that happened to me when I was diagnosed.
So the gift of having someone here locally, a professional, a specialist here locally, was a diagnosis of this caliber is incredibly weighty and difficult in and of itself. But being able to manage it from home, as Kyle said, and being able to manage it quickly and get answers quickly and get our son help, the help that he needed immediately, it's amazing. And I could tear up talking about it actually, because having to travel to get our son the help that he needs would have been an overwhelming challenge in those moments.
When I go there, I feel more at ease than most doctor visits.
I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes when I was 16 and a junior in high school, and I decided after my first appointment with my pediatric endocrinologist that this was for sure what I wanted to do. And then for me having diabetes, I had to travel an hour each way from the small town in Georgia where I'm from to get to see an endocrinologist. And so I knew even then that I wanted to be in a city or a community that didn't have a pediatric endocrinologist. I wanted to fill that need.
It is difficult, but now that Dr. Zimmerman is here, it's much easier to handle.
By 2:30 in the afternoon, same day, we had blood work done, spoken with our pediatrician, and we're sitting in Dr. Zimmerman's practice.
I mean, the fact that he was able to get the medicine that he needed that quickly was just incredible.
Yes, we truly live in the greatest community. We are certain of that, and we are so grateful for all of the healthcare services that are provided here for us. I'm just really grateful.
At the end of the day, after I'd been diagnosed, after I had had the first dose of insulin, after I had taken it all in, I really kind of realized that day was brutal, but at the same time beautiful. It's one of the hardest days of my life, but at the same time, if Dr. Zimmerman hadn't been here, then there would be no beautiful in that day, because I would not have gotten the help that I needed, and I would have had to travel far to get that help, and I wouldn't have gotten that day. So all I can say is at the end of the day, that day was brutal and beautiful.